Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in social media marketing we'll discuss about LinkedIn. LinkedIn, one of the largest social media platform in the world. LinkedIn is specific to a particular niche. There are a lot of professionals. This is more of a professional social media marketing site in the world, and LinkedIn has got millions and millions of users. LinkedIn has got enormous features. LinkedIn offers you high quality analytics. You can create business pages on LinkedIn besides of course your own profile pages, promote them, drive traffic and engage them, interact them, communicate with them, write high quality blog post articles and drive high quality traffic to your website, blogs or landing pages and get more and more traffic and revenue generation. Let us see some of the statistics of LinkedIn, how you can go about creating a business page on LinkedIn, how you can actually use the analytics offered on LinkedIn, and what are the various features that are available on LinkedIn. Let's check them out one by one. Let us see some of the statistics that are available for us as far as LinkedIn is concerned. There are about 500 million users on LinkedIn from all around the world. There are about 2 users added every single second. That is 2 users per second are added on LinkedIn. There are got geo reach of 200 countries. 200 countries geographies are reach has there in for LinkedIn. 40% use daily. Out of the 500 million people, 40% of the users come to LinkedIn every single day. There are 1.5 million groups. Groups are also being created. You can create an individual profile, professional profile, you can create a business profile, and you can also create groups, and there are about 1.5 million groups on LinkedIn, and that is a huge number. Various statistics if you look into, and if you are an individual or a professional or an entrepreneur or a businessman, you cannot think of staying away from LinkedIn. How to create a business page? You can, besides creating your own personal profile page, you can also create a business page on LinkedIn. It is possible. And how we can go about doing creating a business page on LinkedIn is something we'll check it right now. Now what we'll see right now is how you can go about creating a business page on LinkedIn. To create a business page on LinkedIn, just log into the LinkedIn your personal account. What you can do is, if you see here, click on the work. If you click on the work here, you will see the information here, all the pages, and here create a company page. If you click on create a company page, it will ask you a series of questions that you need to actually provide the company name. Let's say for example I give the company name, then the company link that you want to create is this one. If you want to use this one, you can create this one, then verify, create page. It says let's get started with it. Now here you have a series of things that the LinkedIn will be asking you. All you need to do is you need to fill up this form. Here you have upload logo. You have to upload the logo of your company that you are creating. The size of the logo is 300 and by 300 pixels height, 300 height and 300 wide pixels that you have to create. Now if you want to write something about your company, Blue Flame India is a manufacturing company that offers high quality products, something. Now this is done. Then if you want to add some specialty, you can add some specialty. If you want to add address, say let's say for example I want to add the address, the address will be something like KPHP, then the address is say for example Hyderabad, then you have country, you have to select the country, the province. If you want to type the province is given. The city, you want to give the name of the city name is given. The zip code is given. Then the website, you have to give the website name, which is very important. the website name is given, then the company size, how many people are working in your company, give the industry type, what is this industry type, what they are actually doing into, you give the years founded, you can give the years when it was found, company type, it is partnership, public or a government agency or a non-profit, you can give the name of a whatever the content company type is. Then if you are into groups, you can give into the groups. This is the information that you are actually providing when you are actually reviewing and providing the complete information related to your product. This information is done. The most important thing that you need to remember is you can give a background to the company. If you want to have the background information that you want to provide, any background information, manufacturing company that you want to provide, some image that you want to provide, better always go with the kind of images that are available with your company. If you want to give that information, that would be very good. Or take some sample image as for a sample sake. Save this image, you can upload this image, go back to the size is predefined. You have to make sure that the size is as per the information available here. Drag it if you want to have information that you want to drag, and make sure that this information is completed. Once this information is completed, you can go about saving the page. Once the page is saved, your page is up and running and the information is available as a company page. This is actually going to be your default page. You can choose this one, the language is English, and once this complete information is done, click on the publish, the page will be published. The page is actually your pages are successfully changed and updated. Once this is done, your page is up and running. This is how you can actually go about creating your company page, and this is how it will actually look like. This is how this page is appearing right now. And image you can change, you have to add a logo, and the rest of the complete information is completed, and go on posting a lot of information on your Facebook page, so on your LinkedIn page, so that more and more people will be interacting, engaging and communicating with you on LinkedIn, and you can drive more and more traffic to your website from LinkedIn page. And this is how you can go about creating a business page on LinkedIn. Welcome back. We have just seen how you can actually go about creating a business page on LinkedIn. Now, business, besides from creating a business page, that is one side of the coin, and the most important, crucial and critical other side of the coin is the analytics. When you have a business page, when you are interacting, engaging and communicating with users from all around the world, you need to see and you need to measure the success of your business page. How you can actually measure the success of your business page? It is through the analytics. LinkedIn provides high quality features. The number of users are engaging with your business page, the number of people actually interacting and communicating with you, how many people are coming and how many people are leaving, everything can be analyzed using LinkedIn analytics. And LinkedIn analytics plays a very important role in the success of your business page on LinkedIn. Use analytics effectively, measure the success of your business page, do the necessary tweaks, the continuous improvement to your business page, and make sure that you drive more and more traffic. And what are the features that are available for us as far as LinkedIn analytics are concerned? Let us check them out. what we are doing right now is we'll actually see how the analytics can be reviewed, how the analytics can be performed, how the analytics can be leveraged to ensure that you drive more and more traffic by doing continuous improvement on LinkedIn. Right now we are into LinkedIn. We are actually looking into the LinkedIn page. We are actually, what we'll do right now is actually we'll see how the analytics can be performed on analytics. Now when you click on this one, you have all the pages displayed here, the pages that you have created. Now let us say I want to review a particular analytics of a particular page that I have chosen. Now if you have this company information here, now what you need to do is click on the analytics, and that page information will be completely available for you to analyze. Now if you have the preview, the date, the audience, the impressions, the clicks will be displayed here, the information is available. Then you have the engagement and the reach, the clicks, the comments and shares will be available here. Then you have the demographics, how many people, who are the people who are actually reviewing the page, and where the users are coming, what is the comparison that you can think of doing. Visitors information is displayed here, visitors in terms of demographics is displayed here. The complete information is available on one single page of your business page to do the kind of analytics that you need to do to review, analyze, report the information that is available for you in the analytics. And the information has to be analyzed from the date range that you can give from the last 10 days, today, yesterday, last 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, or to the last 12 months. The information can be displayed here. Then if you see the improvement in the engagement that you want to see, similarly the date range can be given for the engagement that is happening towards in terms of the clicks, the likes, the comments, the shares that are happening from this period, whichever the period that you select here. Then you can have the unique views, if there are any unique views that can be displayed here. Then the updates can be displayed here. If you want to see the notifications, if there are any notifications available for you in terms of the likes, shares, all this information can be analyzed threadbare to make sure you drive more and more traffic, and more engagement is happening in terms of how people are interacting, engaging and communicating with you as far as the analytical information in LinkedIn is concerned. Make sure that the engagement is more and more. The more the engagement, the more the traffic to your website. The more the traffic to your website, the more the likes. The more the likes, the more the leads. The more the leads and the more the conversions. What you need to do is you need to make sure the engagement is happening, the followers are happening, there are followers available, the engagement percentage is available. This information is extremely crucial for you to make sure you drive more and more traffic. This is actually basically how the LinkedIn analytics information can be viewed, can be interacted, can be looked into, can be reported to drive more and more conversions for your website from LinkedIn. Welcome back. We have seen just now how you can create a business page on LinkedIn. We have also seen some of the features that are available as far as LinkedIn analytics are concerned, and we'll see some of the other features that are available for us on LinkedIn so that you can use those features and understand how your business page or a personal page or profile page is working, and what are the tweaks that you can think of using in necessary that are required as far as promoting your business page is concerned. What we'll be looking into is we'll be looking into some of the features that LinkedIn offers to you as a professional. All the features, facilities, how you can leverage and take advantage of the kind of immense benefits that LinkedIn offers to promote yourself, promote your business, to promote your professionalism, to promote your brand, so on and so forth. Right now we are into LinkedIn, and LinkedIn into the profile page. This is how the home page actually looks like. You have home, my network, the jobs, the messages, the notifications about me, and the work that is related with it. On the left side you have the image, you have who have actually viewed your professions, how many connections you have, and everything information is available here. To start with, let us say for for example, what you need to do is you need to actually have the complete information in the first place. You need to have a background image, you need to have your own image, the complete information related to the kind of business that you are into, how many what is the latest business work that you are doing into, and what the information has to be completely filled up, what is the job that you have given, the education and everything. The complete information has to be filled up. Once you fill up the complete information, then it is time you actually interact and communicate with people. You have to look into your network, you have to find people, you have to send messages so that more and more people will come into. There is another good feature that who have actually viewed your profile from the last 7 days or a week. These are the people who have viewed my profile from the last few weeks. This information is available for you. You can find out going to that particular page who are the people who have viewed my profile. You can also go into and see how many people are engaged and connected with me. This information is available here, the complete information. See all the connections that you are into. The connections will be displayed, who are the people who are actually connected with me on LinkedIn. The complete information will be available for me here. If I want to send across a message to anybody, I can send across a message to anybody. This information is, then you go to click onto my network, you will see all the pending information that is available for you, who have actually sent messages for you and who are actually looking into connections. You can interact with them, communicate with them, you can send across a message with them to connect with you. The complete information is available here in your network. Then you go into jobs. If you want to looking for a job, if you want to find a job, all the jobs based on the kind of information that your profile has, those jobs will be displayed here. Jobs you may be interested, all the jobs are displayed here. If you want to apply for a particular job, you can apply for a particular job from LinkedIn itself. It is easily possible. Then you can go into the messages. All the messages that are displayed here are the messages that people have sent you, or you may have replied to them. All the users are available here and the messages are available here. These messages will be displayed here, the complete messages. You can reply to them within the LinkedIn by interacting and communicating with them in the messages. If you have any notifications or job notification that you are looking for, the job notifications will be displayed for you here, and rest of the information is available for you in terms of settings, the privacy, the language and the job postings. If there is anything you want to have here in the work, you can actually go into more into LinkedIn products in terms of learning, posting jobs, all your business pages, or if you want to create a business page, you can create a business page here. And these are some of the various features that LinkedIn offers to you, and you have to use them, you have to leverage them to increase your brand identity, to drive more and more traffic to your website from LinkedIn pages, from your profile pages, and drive more and more traffic, leading to more and more conversions. Welcome back. We have seen how you can actually go about creating a business page, how you can actually go about using the LinkedIn analytics features, what are the different and various features that are available for us on LinkedIn. These are the three important things that we have seen just now, and these are the features, the benefits you can use, leverage on LinkedIn so that you can drive more and more profits for your businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.